it has lots of little colouring adventures inside. Actually, I'm not going to use that one because that's the proper one and I don't want to wreck it because somebody might buy that one. I used my one, which is a bit more messy and a bit more crumpled, and it says not for resale because it was the, heard me say hi, Mel. Okay, so this book on every single page has a whole load of little pictures to colour in. You can use pens, but make sure you have a piece of card that will sit between so it doesn't go through to the next page. Pencils are what I've used on that one. I've used marker pens on this one. The owls, I know, Mel, they're too cute, aren't they? So many different ones, and they're just cute. We've got mushroom houses, we've got trees. These are very abstract trees. They're like the, what do they call them? The life trees, something like that. We've got patterns, we've got fairies in a bottle, butterflies, lots of sea creature images. We've got dogs, little mini houses in bottles, little cats, little butterfly houses. We've got some flowers. We've got some mountains in bottles, landscapes in bottles, I should say. We've got some more patterns, just having a sip of my tea. Then we've got some dragonflies in bottles. These are the horoscopes. Remember, the idea of the book is there's lots of little challenges throughout the book, so you don't have to feel overwhelmed by having a full page. We've got plants and flowers, moons, whales, dolphins, birds. There's literally anything you could think of here that you can imagine you'd like to have a go at colouring in. Some more of those moons and flowers. I love them. They're so cute. This page I love as well. I can't actually wait to have a go at the unicorn because the inner child in me just would like to do that. And that's okay. I might be 47, but I still want to colour in a unicorn. Here we've got moons with cats and animals and things on. Dragons, everybody loves a dragon to colour in. We've got hedgehogs, we've got bunnies, we've got fish. There's a little bit of everything in this book, which is why I've called it A Little Bit at a Time, because it's for you to enjoy and colour at the end of the day. We've got jellyfish, peonies, cakes, cactus, and we're at the back page. So the idea behind the book is that it is a little at a time. You can just choose any little bit you'd like to colour in that day. Yeah, and just have fun with it. If anyone's in here that would, so you can get the £18 box kit comes with this mug that I'm currently drinking out of, colouring in progress. So if you know anyone or you are a colourist and you love your colouring, that one is available on my website. You would get this, you would get either the 2 packs of pens or you would get the pack of colouring pencils, and you would get the mug in a gift set. Sorry about that, it's an alarm going off on my phone. And then you would get the mug as well that I'm currently drinking out of. I've kind of fallen in love with it myself, so the £10 colouring box is only £8. So for that you can get the book and the pens or the pencils, as I've just said, without the mug. And plus what comes along with it is you'll get all of the tutorials that are on my profile. There's lots more to come. I've got lots to edit and put up. And also if you go in my link in bio, you can see somewhere else you can go and subscribe on my channel. And there's lots of art tutorials on there. So if you want to be creative, my page is definitely the place to be. I do painting, I do pastels, all sorts. So that's the colouring box. You can